Let's see, let's press start here.
Head northwest on Barranca Parkway toward Construction Circle South Corporate Park, then make a U-turn at Construction Circle South.
Oh, I doubt that's right. I doubt that's right. Yay! The phone's on, it's doing its thing, and we're stuck in another red light. But I think my memory is working better right now than the actual technology. And that, my friends,
Make a U-turn at Construction Circle South Corporate Park.
that, my friends, is a big problem.
Continue.
If my brain is working better than the
Turn
technology,
right to stay on
you know that
Corporate
there's
Park.
something really wrong. Alright, anyway, this thing is wrong. It's wrong. It's just plain
In
wrong.
800 feet, turn right onto Beckman Avenue.
No. Anyway, this is the right place. I will make a right turn here. After making a little turny maneuver, we shall actually, guess what? I am
Head
actually
southeast
at
toward
Siam.
Corporate Park.
You can see the sign up there, Siam Thai Street Food. And I will park right here and get the food. Alright. I love it when a plan comes together,
Head northeast
even
on
when
Barranca Parkway.
technology screws you up, right? Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. This is your local Google guide. I still haven't gotten this right. From Irvine, California, Woodbridge, getting Siam Kitchen. Alright, see you in the next one.